Samsung is working on a new 5G smartphone that will also be more economical. The brand new device will be known as Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. The smartphone is equipped with the Exynos 1280 SoC, the most powerful chipset, and a 2 GHz octa-core processor inside the phone to make the device ultra-fast. For graphic handling, Mali G68 GPU used on this device. The smartphone's display screen is 6.4 inches and has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, giving users full HD+ experience. The new Samsung Galaxy A33 has a touchscreen with Super AMOLED capacitive technology. The Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone features an 8GB RAM capacity. The Samsung A33 will have a 128GB internal storage capacity. The user of this gadget will be able to store a significant amount of data on this enormous amount of storage capacity for usage in the future. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 is another option for glass protection. The smartphone will have a quad camera configuration with a 48-megapixel wide sensor with f1.8 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor with f2.2 aperture, a 5-megapixel macro sensor with f2.4 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture built within the Samsung Galaxy A33. The 13-megapixel wide selfie camera will be used to take pictures and videos of the people you care about. Android OS version 12 is the operating system for this device. The Samsung Galaxy A33 has an optical fingerprint scanner hidden beneath the display to keep off unwanted users. The Galaxy A33's battery will have a capacity of about 5000 mAh. This smartphone has considerable power, plus there is a 25W fast battery charger. In addition, this device also included these features such as 5G, dual SIM, micro SD card supports up to 1 TB, LED flashlight, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C 2.0, USB on the go, GPRS, NFC, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope and virtual proximity sensor. What do you think about this smartphone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.